Right, so you're ready to start, a new sewing project. Now, when you get started, you got to decide, okay, what is the plan that you've got? Because you need to have a plan of action. Otherwise, you'll be just sewing for the sake of sewing. So, number one, you would need to have some kind of, idea, something that you can sketch out, whether it's, from something in your mind that you've seen and you're combining a few styles together. So you need to obviously now look at preparing through a sketch line first. But before you even start sketching, you're looking at the materials and you've got to decide, the materials that you're buying, does it fit into your existing wardrobe, and where will you wear this, and how would you combine this with the rest of your wardrobe? Because everything needs to merge within your wardrobe, otherwise you end up having garments that you don't wear. So you're first going to go through your wardrobe and see, do a bit of a ready-to-wear wardrobe analysis to see what is missing, what you can add into your wardrobe, what you can refashion, thrift and change and use the material for next project that you want to do. And this is also, in this way of planning, is also how you can offer service to your customers, to ask them what do they need in their wardrobes, what's missing, and whatever you're designing for them, say to them, okay, these are the colors that you've got in your wardrobe. You're going to add similar colors you can mix and match, that your wardrobe is more versatile. And you're actually showing them that you care about them having a wardrobe that is more for them to mix and match a lot easier, and that the wardrobe styling can go a lot further and make it very versatile and exciting. Okay, so first thing you would do is you would basically sketch out some ideas of what it is that you want to design. So in my Draw It and Sew It book, I've actually got templates inside the book, and also to show you how to do some technical drawings, flat drawings, and it's also got some basic templates that you can use to draw from, like your and then of course we've got the different fashion illustration templates that you can do your drawing over. And of course, once you do your drawing, you put your swatches on the inside of your page and you work out what you need to get extra. Okay, so this helps you to do your drawings. And then of course the Ready to Wear book helps you to do some analysis, to go through your wardrobe, your lifestyle, see what you need, what's missing, what you can add, what is your true style personality, and what suits your body shape. Okay, so it's all about planning your sewing. In my Planning Your Sewing book, it's about becoming more organized with your sewing by putting perhaps all your patterns, into little like Ziploc bags, and putting the actual covers into plastic pockets in an arch lever file, which I will show you in the video. Okay, so now we get back to the material, and you've got to decide on what it is you're going to be designing. Get a normal template to do your fashion illustration sketches, or just draw them sort of rough. So what I've done here is I first did a jacket, and I've decided I'm rather going to turn this into a dress, and then I can wear it open. I'm going to use an open end zip in the front, and then I can actually wear it as a jacket as well if I decide to wear it open. And I'm going to be using this zip, which is an open end zip. It's got a bit of a sort of bling effect to it. I'm going to be using some leftover denim from another project, as well as some of this bling jersey fabric that I removed from the length of a sweater that was too long for me. I've got this piece of denim, which is quite a beautiful darkish denim. I'm going to add this into the garment as well, and I'm going to keep it on the curve and sort of maybe do this curve right around from the front, around the crown of the shoulder, going towards the back, and perhaps put the sequins in the collar and the neckline. I will obviously put this on a doll first, as I'm busy pinning and putting it all together. So these are the two patterns I'm going to be using, which is this particular jacket pattern and the skirt pattern from here. Now, I have tried and tested these patterns before. I've made them up. I know they fit properly, so I know I can go ahead and combine the two together to create a dress. And see what you have. Now, all my patterns, I take them out of the packets and I put them into a file in the plastic pockets, and I put them into a file. And then the actual pattern itself, I've just got a photostat copy in a Ziploc bag with the patterns in. These are my commercial patterns. I also have my own patterns that I make and design. I do the same concept. I do a drawing in my main file, and then I add my patterns into a plastic pocket, and then I shelve them in my drawers, and my drawers are labelled, or in boxes or containers that are labelled. It says trousers, jackets, dresses, skirts, etc., so that I know where to find them. So I create a little system for myself. So I know that this particular pattern, the skirt, fits me beautifully, because I've actually tried and tested the skirt pattern. I've made many. So I've already traced off, I've got my own block, so I'm going to use this. I know that this particular dress pattern also looks great for this particular dress. I would have to just add in a sleeve, because my design, I'm putting the sleeve in, and this pattern only has, it's sleeveless. I know that this jacket here as well, I've used this jacket plenty of times. It just has a dart, a contour dart from the waist going up towards the bust. It's kind of fitted in shape, which I really do like very much. So I could take this top with the sleeve, and then take the skirt and combine the two and create a dress, which I think most likely would be the best option to go and to do that. Okay, so go through your patterns and see what you have, and use what you've got in your stash. So now you've got some sort of direction. The next thing you would need to do is look at how you're going to open up the garment. What are you going to be using? I've decided to use an open end zip. So it's a bit of a metallic, bit of a shine, which will actually complement this bit of metallic leatherette, as well as the sequence material that I'm actually going to be combining with as well. So you can see it's all coming through the colors. So I'm bringing through a bit of bling, a bit of shimmer, as well as the actual camo material together. So you always need to work with the plan. Start with your sketching, go through your patterns and see how you can combine and convert your patterns to make a new design. So I hope that inspired you and gave you some sort of inclination how to go about your designing. And also, design clothes you know that you're going to wear to complement the rest of your wardrobe with the colors that you have selected. So if you like this, please give it a thumbs up and share. And it's just going to grow the sewing and the fashion industry. Thank you. This is Tania Sutherland. Until next time, just go out there and rock your style.